Yo guys, Go World. Today we are going to open up a new, well, it's not really new, it's old, but a Sun and Moon booster pack. I don't know, but let's. Oh, and this is fan mail, and I got another fan mail that came from Texas. Okay, let me bring it up. This Five Nights at Freddy's thing. See, it has the logo.
What is that?
Yeah. See? Oh wait, it's up there.
Yeah. What is that?
No. See, Five Nights at Freddy's. Well, anyways, look at that bootleg. I got this from Five Below. Well, comment down. Let's start again. Let's go Pokemon goes. Let's Pokemon. Okay. You went to school? Don't you have your backpack? Sorry about that. My big brother's there. Let's see. Here it is. Oh, I knew it was gonna be this. Let's open it up.
Oh my god, it's fake. Yeah, that's probably is he gonna die? Or is he gonna no, he's cute.
Here's the code.
See, I know a bunch of things. I'm a doctor, bro. Why is he smiling?
We got an energy card. Lustland training card, a Pokemon card, and a Frytrans card, a Tom P card, and
he's crying because he knows
Eastbird card, a Squirtle card, Radle, was actually a Squirtle card, Radle, Raytoon, and Sluxton, and oh, and extra GX. You see this? Oh, if you get to the light, well, I don't know how much it really costs, but link in the description and comment down below and subscribe and like the video and tell me what's the name and how much it costs. So, bye, Go World fans. Peace out.